This banana chocolate bread is a delicious and healthy treat that combines the sweetness of ripe bananas with the richness of chocolate. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dessert. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, melted coconut oil or olive oil, a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, honey or maple syrup, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ cups, 180 g, whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon baking powder, a quarter teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional, half a cup, 85 g, dark chocolate chips or chunks, 70% cacao, a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, milk, dairy or plant-based. Instructions: preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a loaf pan or line it with parchment paper. Mash the bananas. In a large mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas with a fork or potato masher until smooth with a few chunks. Mix wet ingredients. Add the melted coconut oil, honey or maple syrup, eggs, and vanilla extract to the mashed bananas. Stir until all the ingredients are combined. Combine dry ingredients. In another bowl, mix the whole wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, if using. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Add chocolate. Fold in the dark chocolate chips or chunks, making sure they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Bake. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread it out evenly. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Tips: bananas. The riper the bananas, the sweeter your bread will be. Chocolate. For a healthier version, use dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao to add a rich flavor without too much sugar. Storage. Store leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 days, or freeze for longer storage. This banana chocolate bread is moist, flavorful, and the perfect balance between the sweetness of banana and the richness of chocolate. Enjoy it as part of your breakfast or an afternoon snack.